Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Black Shark 4, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this XIAOMI. Start by accessing device settings and scrolling all the way down. Now go into additional settings, click on languages and input, manage keyboards and settings. From here tap on theme and choose this plus sign under my themes. Now you can select one of the available images by clicking on the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then choose next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on done and click on the switcher next to key borders to disable or enable them. When you're done, click apply, and when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!